Allow him to speak. Kanad Purkayastha.
Thank you, Deputy Chairman, sir. I rise today to express my wholehearted support for the Sabka Bima Sabki Raksha, the amendment of Insurance Laws Bill 2025, a landmark piece of legislation that promises to transform the insurance landscape of our nation for the benefit of every citizen. Sir, first of all, I offer my gratitude to Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji. Under his visionary leadership, Honorable Finance Minister Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman ji has introduced much awaited and important bill in this House. Sir, let me emphasize the guiding principle behind this bill. Insurance for all, Sabka Bima Sabki Raksha. This government has put before this House a framework that seeks to expand coverage, deepen penetration, and protect millions of Indians who today remain outside a safety net of formal insurance. So first, the bill proposes to raise the foreign direct investment limit in the insurance sector to 100%. This is not just a number, this is a strategic policy decision. Allowing full foreign participation will attract capital, global underwriting expertise, technology, and serve citizens better. It is a step toward making our insurance industry world-class in the coming decade. Sir, secondly, this legislation amends 3 fundamental laws: the Insurance Act 1938, the Life Insurance Corporation Act 1956, and the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority Act 1999, to modernize the regulatory environment. These changes streamline operations, enhance ease of doing business, and bring clarity to the regulatory oversight needed in a rapidly evolving financial sector. Third, let us talk about the heart of insurance, the policyholder. This bill pauses to strengthen policyholder protection mechanisms and establish a policyholders' education and protection fund. It will raise standards of transparency, improve dispute resolution, and build greater trust among ordinary citizens who put their faith and hard-earned money in insurance products. We should also acknowledge that this bill proposes improvements in governance, including provisions that ensure key leadership positions within insurers are held by Indian citizens, even with increased foreign participation. This balance safeguards national interest while inviting the best of global capital. So some critics argue that opening up the sector could undermine domestic players. I respectfully disagree. Competition, when rooted in strong regulation, enhances efficiency, brings innovation, and ultimately benefits the consumer. Countries that have revitalized their insurance markets have seen growth in penetration and product diversity, a direction we must embrace. Sir, insurance is not merely a financial instrument, it is a lifeline for a state like Assam. So every year, devastating floods of Brahmaputra and Barak rivers destroy crops, homes, livestock, and livelihoods. Farmers, small traders, and daily wage earners suffer enormous losses and often pushing families into long-term distress. Therefore, any reform in this insurance sector must be sensitive to these ground realities. The proposed amendment, which aims to strengthen regulatory oversight and improve policyholder protection, is a welcome step. If implemented effectively, it can ensure faster and fairer claim settlements, especially for flood-affected farmers and households, who often face delays and procedural hurdles while claiming insurance benefits. Sir, Assam is also home to lakhs of tea garden workers who are the backbone of the tea industry, an industry that contributes significantly to our national economy. I urge the government to ensure that the insurance reforms specially promote affordable health and life insurance coverage for tea garden workers and other unorganized laborers with special protection for women workers. Deputy Chairman, sir, floods also caused repeated damage to houses, schools, small businesses and rural infrastructure in Assam. The amended law should encourage innovative and affordable disaster and property insurance products suited to flood-prone areas so that families can rebuild their lives with dignity rather than falling into debt. Honourable Chairman, sir, insurance is not a luxury. It is a security blanket that protects families from the uncertainties of life. Yet, in India, insurance penetration remains far below global averages. This bill addresses the gap with purpose and urgency, setting the ambitious goal of universal insurance coverage by 2047. For small business, farmers, workers in the informal sector, women heads of households, insurance means resilience. It means economic confidence. It means the protection for generations. In conclusion, let us seize this opportunity. Let us stand together for a future where every Indian, whether in a metropolitan city or remote village, has access to reliable, affordable insurance. I urge all members of this House to support the Sabka Bima Sabki Raksha Bill 2025. Its passage will not only modernize an essential sector, but will also uphold the promise of inclusive growth and security for all. Thank you, Chairman, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Kanimuji and Somo.